Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Let's take a moment to understand what affiliate marketing is all about. Picture it as a grand marketplace where you, the affiliate, connect product creators with consumers and earn a sweet commission for your efforts. It's a win-win. Now, imagine this marketplace is global and you're working with some of the best brands in the world. Sounds exciting, right? That's where Awin comes into play. Awin is a titan in the affiliate marketing world, boasting an impressive reach that spans the globe. With Awin, you have access to a vast network of advertisers and affiliate partners, effectively transforming your earning potential into an ever-expanding frontier. Through Awin, you're not just participating in affiliate marketing, you're engaging with a community that spans industries and borders. So if you're not already on the Awin train, it's high time you hopped on. Getting started with Awin is as easy as pie, and who doesn't like pie? To kick things off, let's talk about the requirements for joining. Awin is an inclusive network, and as such, it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned marketer or a novice just dipping your toes into the affiliate marketing pool. What matters is your enthusiasm and readiness to explore new horizons. Now onto the registration process. It's a straightforward, user-friendly procedure. Start by visiting the Awin website. From there, click on the Join Us button. You'll be asked to fill in some basic details about yourself and your business. This includes information such as your name, website, URL, and the type of marketing you're interested in. Don't worry, it's not a test. There's no right or wrong answer. Once you've filled in the details, you'll need to agree to Awin's terms and conditions. I know, it's tempting to skip through these, but it's worth reading them. They contain important information about how Awin operates and what's expected of you as a member. After agreeing to the terms, you're almost there. You'll be asked to pay a small deposit. This is just to verify your account, and it's fully refundable. Once the payment is processed, your application will be reviewed by Awin's team. While you're waiting, it's a good time to start thinking about how you'll use Awin to boost your affiliate marketing game. With a vast network of advertisers and affiliate partners, Awin offers a plethora of opportunities to maximize your earning potential. And there you have it. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an email with your login details. From there, you can set up your affiliate account. This includes choosing the advertisers you want to work with and setting up your promotional strategies. Remember, Awin is a tool. It's up to you to harness its power and make it work for your business. So go forth and conquer the affiliate marketing world. And voila, you're now a part of the Awin family. Welcome aboard. Now that you're in, let's take a tour around the Awin mansion, shall we? This isn't just any old mansion, it's a digital powerhouse designed to streamline your affiliate marketing journey. Let's start with the main features. The Awin platform is divided into several sections, each with its unique functions. One of these is the advertisers section. Here you can browse and search for advertisers who are part of the Awin network. It's like shopping in a digital marketplace, but instead of buying, you're looking for potential partnerships. Once you've found an advertiser you'd like to work with, the next step is to apply to join their program. This process is as straightforward as asking someone out on a date, minus the sweaty palms and butterflies in your stomach. Just click on the Join Program button, fill in the necessary details, and voila, you've sent your proposal. Now, let's shift our focus to the platform's tools and resources. Awin offers a range of tools to help you track your performance and earnings. The Reports section, for instance, is your personal financial analyst. It provides detailed insights into your earnings, clicks, and sales. And the best part? You don't need a finance degree to understand it. Another handy tool is the Link Builder. This tool allows you to create custom tracking links for your affiliate promotions. It's like your personal hyperlink factory, churning out links faster than a rabbit running from a fox. Awin also offers a My Dashboard feature. This is your personal command center where you can get an overview of your account, track your progress, and manage your campaigns. It's like having a bird's eye view of your affiliate marketing empire. So there you have it, a quick tour of the Awin mansion. From finding advertisers to tracking your earnings, Awin has got you covered. It's like having a virtual assistant, a financial analyst, and a marketing guru all rolled into one. With all these tools at your fingertips, you're well on your way to becoming an affiliate marketing superstar. But wait, there's more. We've got some top-notch tips and strategies to help you thrive in this arena. First off, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But don't worry, with Arwin, you're never alone on your journey. Their dedicated team of experts is always there to guide you every step of the way. Now let's talk about choosing the right advertisers. It's not merely about who offers the highest commission. You need to consider who your audience is and what they need. Choose advertisers that align with your audience's interests, and you're halfway to success. Content is king, and in the world of affiliate marketing, high-quality content is your crown. Create engaging, informative, and unique content that provides value to your audience. Keep them coming back for more, and they'll be more likely to click on your affiliate links. Last, but definitely not least, leverage analytics. Data is your best friend here. It tells you what's working, what's not, and how you can improve. Arwin's platform provides comprehensive analytics that can help you optimize your performance and maximize your earning potential. So, there you have it. A few expert tips to help you navigate the choppy waters of affiliate marketing with Arwin. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and above all, keep going. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge is power, and now you've got plenty of it. Well, that's a wrap on our Arwin class. We've journeyed through the basics, navigated the platform, and unlocked strategies to boost your affiliate marketing success. Now it's your turn to apply these tips and start harnessing the power of Arwin. Get ready to level up, and remember, success is a journey, not just a destination. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and drop a comment below if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and here's to your affiliate marketing success.